Hi, hello. Once again, my friends, this is Jackie. So, gagawa na tayo ng pinapangarap natin gagawin sa bench natin, which is we're going to make a like a wood style dun sa bench. So, eto yung grout natin, grain pala, sorry. Grain. So, ito natin ng plastic. Ayan. Kasi, binili ko to last year. But apparently, I was not that well. So, thankfully, well na tayo ngayon. So, ito yung binili ko. It's a rubber, wood graining rubber daw. So, itetest natin ha, ito. So, hopefully it works. At saka, bumili din ako nito, masonry, na, we'll try this black mat. I cannot find any, how do you call this now? Glossy na color. So, at saka, ito, bumili din ako ng red. So, ito try natin. I'll link down below yung pinagkuhanan ko ng style ng ating bench. So, hopefully, cross fingers, it will work out. So, testing lang to. Gagawin natin muna yung baba. Then, later on, siguro tomorrow or later on, sa taas. Depende sa itsura nung sa baba. Kasi para mas maganda pang tignan. So, ayun. Tapos, mga sponge, old sponge, at saka ito. Ito yung para siyang clear lacquer. Usually, ang gusto ko sana is yung para siyang acrylic, but I cannot find any. So, let me know if you know anything about acrylic paint, but I was trying to, wala akong makita. So, anyway, try lang natin. Okay, see you. ito, napinturahan ko na siya. Yung banda. Then, sa kabila din. But I'll try to do that. If not today, probably tomorrow. So, let's see later on kung dry na siya. Then, I will add either the red. And after that, maybe I'll just put the black. Parang retouch na lang siya. We'll see anong mangyayari. Hi, Chin! So, eto na guys. Nagawa na. So, ang gagawin na natin ngayon is pipintura na natin ng red. So, this is just only a test ha. Don't quote me. Experiment lang natin to. Gagayain ko lang yung style nung nakuha ko na sa YouTube. So, we'll just try. Okay? Here goes for nothing. Oh my God. Okay. Ay, tumulo. I'm not a painter, but I know marami akong ano dito, gulo-gulo, but it's fun of experimenting. Ito na tayo ngayon. Black. And we'll have a look now. Ilalagay na natin to sa dito. And then we'll use this one. So, or this one. Small one. So, let's see. Bale, unfortunately, hindi na gawa yung ating balak. So, I just use as it is na lang. And then I use the brush just to make a texture. Hindi pa makikita ngayon kasi medyo wet pa siya. At ito, nilagyan ko siya ng sealant. Parang lacquer something. I hope it stays longer. So, yeah. At the moment, I'm okay. And I'm happy naman sa results. But we'll see tomorrow after 24 hours kung ano itsura niya. So, yan. So, the other side naman din. Diyan din siya. So, ayun.
The next day.
So, here you go. The result. It's not as expected, but still beautiful for me. And I like it. Similar in the Philippines, the bench that it looks like wood, but it is a cement. But there you go. I didn't use the grain, but I still recommend it. And at the same time, I might probably use it in other projects on other surfaces because it didn't manage to capture what we wanted. But anyway, for this video, please like. I hope you like. And then subscribe for this channel and click the notification bell. Guys, we're nearly to 1,000 now, so keep it up and hope to see you all soon. And good luck for the future raffle coming up very, very soon. So, shout out to all of my subscribers. God bless and more power for all of us. And take care and stay tuned for more. Yes.